Welcome back to Sukhera Auto Tips. Today, video on how to fix BMW fault code. Limp mode is a safety feature in BMWs that limits engine power to prevent damage. Fault code 36600 indicates a problem with the exhaust system. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix the issue. 1. Check the exhaust system. Inspect for any leaks, damage, or blockages in the exhaust pipes, muffler, and catalytic converter. 2. Scan for additional codes. Use a BMW-specific scan tool, like a Bavarian Technic or Autologic, to check for other fault codes related to the exhaust system. 3. Check the oxygen sensor. Verify the oxygen sensor is functioning correctly and not causing a false reading. 4. Inspect the fuel system. Ensure no fuel leaks and the fuel pressure is within specifications. 5. Check the engine software. Ensure the engine software is up to date. 6. Perform a smoke test. Use a smoke machine to detect any leaks in the exhaust system. 7. Replace faulty components. Address any issues found during the inspection, such as replacing a damaged oxygen sensor or exhaust pipe. 8. Clear the fault code. Use the scan tool to clear the fault code 36F600. 9. Test drive. Verify the issue is resolved and the limp mode is no longer active. Additional tips. Consult a BMW repair manual or a professional mechanic for guidance. Ensure proper safety procedures when working with fuel and exhaust systems. Addressing the root cause will help prevent future occurrences. Remember, limp mode is a protective feature. Ignoring the issue may lead to further damage or safety risks. If you're not comfortable with DIY repairs or need assistance, consider consulting a BMW specialist or dealership. Please like and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.